सब लोग आ गए जी। नंबर ओ सम्मान नंबर एब्सेंट है।
हाँ सर।
Zahiruddin Adnan.
Yes, sir.
The other day, when we met for that night, क्या बोलते हैं उसको 10 o'clock Zoom session. I think you were there, no?
Yes, sir.
उसमें एक अदनान था,
Yes, sir.
आपका सीनियर.
Yes, sir.
He wrote exam on the first session. Do you remember? We spoke on 19th night.
Yes, sir.
उसको स्कोर कितना आया मालूम?
नहीं मालूम सर.
250 out of 300. उसका स्कोर 250 out of 300 मेंस स्कोर. And I'm proud to say all these years, I generally don't share syllabus, man. I generally teach entire syllabus. I taught so far, I always teach entire syllabus. After a long time, I'm sharing syllabus. I taught him entire syllabus. His score is 250 out of 300. खुशी खुशी फोन करा था मेरे को, because his best score, this is the third mains, no? His best score so far was 226. He was really worried. वो एग्जाम जाने से पहले भी बात करा. He called me in the morning. First session था उसका, first shift. He called me in the morning and said, "Sir," early in the morning, and he said, "Sir, can I call you again before going to the exam? I need some confidence because I'm scared because I lost touch with many topics." मैं बोला, "There is nothing to worry. You go to the examination hall, you sit in front of the paper, everything you remember." He was asking me, "Sir, will I be able to remember because I lost touch?" तो बोला, "Nothing will happen. You will remember everything. Go ahead करके." 250 out of 300. Yes. What was the last volume we did? I don't remember, man. कुछ नॉर्मल कर रहे थे. बच्चे लोग लास्ट वॉल्यूम. अदनान बोलो जी, what was the last volume we did?
There is a point P 4, minus 4 and Q 9, 6 R on Y square equals to 4x. X be any point on R, P or Q.
Anybody read out, man? Last column we did.
Sir, point on a parabola x be any point on arc, point of intersection, POQ of its parabola.
Maximum area of the triangle वही था.
Yes sir, maximum area.
Look here. A quick recall. tangent equation in slope form for y square equal to 4ax. What was the tangent equation in slope form? What's the point of contact? Correct? For x square equal to 4ay, tangent equation in slope form, point of contact मूल्य में नोट्स चेक करके बोलो जी. I don't remember. am square 2am कुछ था, बोलो जल्दी. Point of contact man.
2am, am square.
Angle between pair of tangents. These three we wrote in circles. These three we wrote in circles. Same thing happened for parabola, ellipse, hyperbola. I repeat, same thing happens for parabola, ellipse, hyperbola. They are what is combined equation of PA and PB? बोलो जी. Equation to the pair of tangents circles में लिखे क्या है वो? S1 square is equal to S into S11. What is S1 square? YY1 minus 2A into, बोलो जी expansion में रखो. YY1 minus 2A into S is Y square minus 4AX. S11 is Y1 square minus 4AX1. What is this AB called? बच्चे लोग waiting. बच्चे लोग waiting.
Chord of contact.
Chord of contact. Aidur Rahman, correct? What is equation to chord of contact? What is S1 equal to 0 expansion? YY1 minus 2A into सर्कल्स में था, अब पैराबोला में भी है. सर्कल्स में था, अब पैराबोला में भी है ना? बोला है. पैराबोला में भी है, पैराबोला में भी है. What is this equation? What is this line called? What is this line called? Chord of parabola. बोलो जी. Having chord of parabola having px1 comma y1 as its midpoint. Am I correct? बच्चे लोग am I correct?
Yes, sir.
बोलो जी.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
What's the equation? S1 is equal to S11. What is S1? What is S1? Bolo. Y1 minus 2a into. This is y1 square minus 4a x1. Come on. These three points build in circles also. Circles, parabola, ellipse, hyperbola. They all be same. Pair of tangents. Open your mics, bolo. Pair of tangents. Speak out, man. Pair of tangents. What the formula?
S1 square is equal to S into S11.
Chord of contact equation.
S1 equal to 0.
And a chord having x1 comma y1 as midpoint equation.
S1 equal to S11.
Chalo. Copy this. Done.
1 minute.
Completed, sir.
Can you clear this off?
Yes.
Sir, one doubt, sir. Sir, equation to tangent is S1 is equal to 0 now, sir.
Okay.
Correct, no? So then why we are writing equation to chord of contact is S1 equal to 0?
Chord of contact and tangent will have same equation.
Sir, how, sir?
Chord of contact and tangent will have same equation, man.
Sir, but both are not same now, sir.
Both are not same, but equations are different. In case of chord of contact, the point is not lying on the curve. The point lies on the curve. Answer, man. Answer. S1
Parabola,
is
sir.
S11. S1 is equal to S11 is passing through focus A, 0. What is S1? What is S11? Y1 minus 2A minus 2AX1 that side plus 2AX1. बच्चों काम करें
Yes, sir.
A कहां से जा रहा है Y के बदले में 0 X के बदले में A करेक्ट करेक्ट बच्चों करेक्ट
Yes.
then equation to locus of px1 y1 is क्या आएगा so y square is equal to 2a कॉमन लिए तो हाँ लोकस किसे रिप्रेजेंट करता है what is its LLR its LLR is equal to half of LLR of given parabola am I correct given parabola am I correct locus किसे सूचित करता है this represents a parabola whose LLR is half of LLR of given parabola what's the focus what is its vertex इसका vertex क्या है इसका वर्टेक्स क्या है?
A, 0.
A comma 0.
What's the focus? Formula A plus alpha comma beta. Remember, this is alpha comma beta. Implies focus is equal to A is not A. A is what here? A is what here? A by
A by 2.
A by 2 plus alpha. Alpha is A. Beta is 0. A by 2 plus A. Am I clear? Any doubts, any questions? Vaishak?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
Finish writing.
Yes, sir.
1 minute.
Done?
Yes.
Look here. More important than the class. Start to prepare. Start your. You should be on the mark. Pay attention. February, March, April, May. Assume that in 2022 also he is going to conduct mains 4 times. I don't know. Assume 180 marks. Assume that your score
Yes.
210, 225. Where is the highest score?
May.
A.
Yes, sir.
Where you will get best rank, or where you should get best rank?
230.
You will get for 180. Did you increase your score? Yes. Did you put more effort? Yes. But everybody is putting more effort.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You will have less number of students completing syllabus early. You will have less number of students completing syllabus early. You will have less number of students revising early. More number, maximum number. By the time you come to May, Every Tom, Dick and Harry, alpha, beta, gamma, delta, zeta, neta, theta, they all will be completing syllabus, revising. When is the best shot you can give for the exam?
February.
First attempt.
Worst shot you can give for the exam? Last.
May.
It is up to you.
Sir, when will we complete syllabus?
Sir, when will we complete syllabus, sir?
October end, I'm thinking. I don't know.
When, sir?
August, September. I have to do entire calculus, man. August, September. October mid, we can. Next. Yes, you remember homogenization?
No, sir.
Last year. Hello. Do you remember homogenization last year? Pair of straight lines.
No, sir.
What the revised ones?
Yes, sir. Revise.
Revised ones बोला तो फर्स्ट ईयर से स्टार्ट करो बोला तो भी स्टार्ट करते.
No, sir, not that.
Do you remember homogenization?
No, sir.
This is a curve. This is a line. What are OA and OB? बोलो man. OA and OBR. What are they?
Pair of tangent.
Passing through origin. They are given by. They are given by homogenization. Yes, I'm not sure. Check कर लो dictionary लेकर. How do you write line? What is Lx plus My? Minus n. So what is Lx plus My by minus n equal to? Correct? Look at curve. How do you write this equation? Second degree, second degree, second degree, 2gx plus 2fy, first degree, multiply by 1. Constant c, 0 degree, multiply by 1 square. Am I correct? Am I correct? So far. Now what I can write? 2gx plus 2fy into. In place of 1, what do you write? In place of 1, I'm writing this. In place of 1 square, this is an second degree equation in x and y, which represent, what do they represent? A pair of lines passing through origin. What are these two lines? What are they in this figure? What are they in this figure? Bolo. Any doubts? Any queries?
No, sir.
Any doubts? Any queries?
No, sir.
Copy this. And all AP Telangana students, I think Isaac,
Yes, sir.
did you write 11th class exam from your board?
No, sir. There was no 11th exam.
You are from CBSE board,
No, sir. Karnataka State Board.
Karnataka board. Karnataka State Board did not conduct 11th class exam.
No, sir. They gave us question papers to solve and submit to the teacher. That's it. Nothing more than that.
Kerala, I heard that they are conducting exams in August and all. Any Keralites?
Yes, sir. September 6th.
AP Telangana. Hello, all Telanganites, all Hyderabadis.
Yes, sir.
There is a strong rumor floating around that. Telangana board is also contemplating to conduct intermediate first year exams in the month of August rather seriously. 10th class exam नहीं लिखे, दीवार खुद के आ गए. Intermediate first year exam नहीं लिखे, दीवार खुद के आ गए. What is going to happen in April, we do not know. There might be second wave, third wave, 20th wave, 40th wave, 100th wave. Right now, cases are less. Therefore, Telangana government, as a precautionary measure, want to conduct one first year exam, so that in the month of April, if they are not able to conduct second year exam, at least based on this, they can award you some certificate, some marks. समझ गए logic?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So there is a chance, huge chance, they may conduct IPE exams in the month of August. Not sure. These rumors are floating around.
Yes, sir.
शोएब क्लास में है?
Yes, sir.
लेट ज्वाइन करे?
नहीं sir. सर पैराबोला कहाँ तक पढ़ना है सर? वीकेंड एग्जाम.
What all built in parabola is that? Can I?
Yes, sir.
Can I clear the below part? What is happening now? This is chord x1 y1 as midpoint. एक chord क्या कर रहा है? एक chord क्या कर रहा है? It is subtending a right angle at the vertex of the parabola. Is the figure of mine correct? Is the figure of mine correct? Is the figure of mine correct?
Sir.
चलो. What's the chord equation? मतलब क्या है? What? Minus 2ax1 that side plus 2ax1. What does it gives you? बच्चों लोग क्या करें? So y1 minus 2ax by. How do you write parabola? How do you write parabola? Second degree. Don't touch. First degree. Multiply by 1. In place of 1 you substitute. Right angle means coefficient of x square plus coefficient of y square equal to 0. Complete the problem. तो चलो क्या आएगा y स्क्वायर बोलो जी y स्क्वायर minus 4ax into in place of 1 correct
Sir.
what angle means coefficient of x square plus coefficient of y square is equal to 0. Come on, collect x square coefficient, y square coefficient. I'm waiting. What is x square coefficient? पहचाने. What is x square coefficient? Minus 4a into minus 2a. 8a square. X square coefficient 8a square by denominator. So what will I have? बच्चों लोग हमें करेक्ट. बच्चों लोग हमें करेक्ट. This multiplied by this will give you xy. This multiplied by this multiplied by this will give you x square plus y square coefficient. LCM ले लो. Y square is equal to 2ax minus 8a square. हम करेक्ट. Locus लिख दिया. Same as the earlier problem. Y square is equal to 2a into x minus 4a. correct है? correct है?
Sir.
लोकस किसे सूचित करता है? लोकस represents parabola. What is LLR? LLR half of LLR of given parabola. Am I correct? Next, what's the focus? First of all, what's the vertex? What's the vertex? 4a comma 0. What is focus? A plus R. What is your A? बच्चों लोग, what is your A? In place of 4a, I have 2a. So what is your A? A by 2. Alpha is 4a. आंसर क्या आएगा? बोलो जी. Is it 9a by 2 comma 0? Done. बच्चे लोग done.
Done, sir.
Yeah, we shall resume on Monday, our usual time. Thank you.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye.